Honestly, this thing was just legit. Anyway, that's a different video. Guys, welcome back to Shawnee RC. Welcome back to the channel. And every so often you get sent a product, or you buy a product and it blows you away. It quite literally blows you away. I think that I've probably found, let's get rid of the box, the cheapest, most professional grade charger that's readily available. You can buy it on Amazon. That will do everything you want and more in a compact and stylish and lightweight way. Lightweight way. Lightweight way. Lightweight way. Lightweight way. The ISDT K2 Air. It's been a breath of fresh air. We're going to go over some of the features. We're going to see it in action. It's not going to be the most exciting video, or it excites me. But when it comes to buying a charger, I will happily recommend this charger to you guys. Let's go over some specs, see it in action, and let me know if you use one. Give me some feedback. What do you like, what don't you like? Because I'm yet to find out something I don't like. But anyway, let's go over some features. So first and foremost, this is a AC and DC input. What I like about this charger is it's impossible to make a mistake putting the DC and the AC in at separate times, because you can only put one charger in. As you can see, it's either DC or AC. You can't put both of them in at the same time. You can't put one in the wrong port, which, as we all know, will destroy chargers. If you put your AC power, or if you put your DC power into your AC, or your AC into your DC, bad things happen. Bad things. So don't do that. But ISDT have made a fail-safe, have made a foolproof method that it can't be done. Dual inputs for your charge leads. Now your charge leads require XT60 connectors. So you've got dual inputs, as this is a dual charger, up to 20 amp, which is fantastic. Again, for the money. I'm not saying nothing, you make your own mind up, but it's good. You've also got on the front, you've also got a USB-C charger, which is crucial for your mobile phones and other electronic devices, but also you can use this cable for updating the firmware. Awesome. Now this is a smart balance charger, so when it connects to your batteries via the cable, the charger will actually understand how many cells it is, the milliamp and everything, so you don't need to change any settings unless you want to, but it will register what the battery is with this smart technology. So as mentioned earlier, it is a 20 amp dual charger, so there's plenty of power for those batteries charging in majority of parts of the world. I know you US guys like to charge it a little bit more than that, but for your standard charger, awesome. So it's got a 2.8 inch IPS screen, which they say you can still see in the sunshine and any sort of weather conditions. The screen should still be illuminated enough so you can read it, which again is overlooked on lots of chargers nowadays. Well done, K2 Air. So this charger also does have an app called the ISD Link. So just while this battery is charging, so the app you need is called the ISD Link. Downloaded this from the App Store. It's a free app, and we're going to do this live to see how easy it is to connect this charger to get all of the functions available with the wireless charging, and use the settings and everything else that you get with the app. So plus symbol at the top there, add device, click the refresh. So it's currently scanning, and there it is, straight away the K2 Air. Please get close to the device or follow the prompts to add the device. It's done it already. And there we have our ISD Link connected to our charger. So as you can see, that's now connected. So we can see live charging, live analysis, got all the stats there. And what's nice here is we've actually got a percentage on the battery, so you can have a quick glance over to see an actual percentage on what's in the pack at that particular moment in time. As you can see here, it's actually displaying a live voltage and internal resistance, which is obviously a crucial part in charging your batteries. Awesome, good job ISDT, lightweight, it's absolutely silent as well. I'll be quiet for a few seconds so you can see just how silent this charger is. Ready? Genuinely, it's not making a single sound. There's not even a fan going. Now I'll be honest, when I started using this charger and I downloaded the app initially, I thought that's going to be its kryptonite. The app's not going to be very good. Well, I was wrong. So that's a short introduction on the charger. As I say, it's not going to be the most exciting thing in the world for the next part of the video, because ultimately it is just a charger. But let's just plug a battery in, let's go through the menu quickly, keep it nice and simple, and then I'll give you some final thoughts on the charger, and I'll see you in the next one. But anyway, charging. So you've heard all of the technical information, so let's just charge a simple battery and see what the menu's like. Is it easy? Is it accessible? We're going to just put a standard 2-cell battery. It should register what the battery is straight away with the intelligent recognition software. So let's just get this plugged in. So there we have it. The K2 Air Charger has identified the battery and the optimal charge parameters. So let's go through the menu and see what this charger is all about. So you hold this middle button down, comes up with some options there. Task, charge, discharge, storage, destroy. Well, I don't want to destroy this battery. Oh no. Oh. Charge. Chemistry. So as stated in the intro, we've got all of the different chemistries of different batteries. Pretty much all the ones that you're going to need are on here. So this is a LiPo, which it's identified already. We've got the condition, so the voltage, so 4.2 cells. Obviously it is giving us the option to change these, but as just mentioned, the charger has selected these options for us. Current, the charge amps, so it goes right up all the way to 20 amps, which is good, really good. So you can have dual 20 amp charge rates, so we're just going to go with 5. Start, and obviously back. So let's just go back. Again, this is all super easy. So if you click once on the side that your battery is obviously connected to, it gives you some more information there. And then just going down again, it's going to give us more of the current readings of the battery, including the temperature, the voltage, and yeah, fantastic. It goes, super easy to use. Let's start this battery. So we're just going to hold this middle button here. Start, and we're charging. You can see the watts increase, milliamps going into the battery, obviously the temperature and the voltage on each cell. You can see that on a bigger screen there. Lots of different parameters you can go through, but we're just going to leave that charging. And yeah, as far as simplicity goes, it does exactly what you need, no complications. Pricing, let's just talk price. So currently, let's have a look. On Amazon in the UK, but I think you can get these worldwide. So this charger is, may or may not be backwards, but it's currently £119, and that is with Prime delivery. So I'm not sponsored by Prime or Amazon, obviously, But for £120 basically next day delivery, it's priced extremely well. There's lots of more expensive chargers out there, and there's some cheaper chargers, but I think this charger probably has it all. There is an Amazon link in the description. If you want to use it, you can. If you don't, you don't. It's absolutely fine, but there's some more technical information on there as well. My final thoughts on this K2 Air from ISDT is I would have no issue recommending every single one of you to buy this charger if you are in the market for a new charger and it's within your budget. This charger is lightweight, it's compact. Woo. Woo. It's looks good. It sits perfectly on your table. Like you say, with the dual outputs, up to 20 amp, the USB-C, all the charge modes, the intelligent charging, the app. It should be a more expensive charger. It really should. It should come with a higher price tag, but it doesn't. And let me know what you think on the price. I think £119 or probably around $140 delivered. Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look for you US guys. So for the US guys, and there's a lot of you that watch this channel, $129 with no shipping will get you this charger. Case dismissed. Go and buy it. No, honestly, it's good. Go for it. We've got some other reviews coming up on the channel. We're also building a new car over there, which is a new nitro car. We've got some more B7 footage coming up. And we've also started introducing some of the fun stuff, like this thing here, which we're currently working on a video, which I think is going to be quite exciting, but she's a little ripper. But anyway, you're here to see the charger. Happily recommend you to go and buy it. See you in the next one.